Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am coming with this super cute idea of making yummy desserts bracelet for Friendship Day, or you can also use for any other occasions. So I will share here total 8 different styles of desserts, how to make this using handmade cold porcelain clay, how to arrange this on the bracelet and convert this into beautiful accessory. This is very amazing, very light in weight, and you can create for your best friends, for your loved ones, for any other occasions as well. Isn't it looking super pretty and yummy? So this is perfect for all the sweet tooth lovers, and without any further delay, let's get started. So I'm starting with my cookie charm, and for this here I'm taking my handmade cold porcelain clay and adding little bit of brown soft pastel into this. Mix it very well. So this is done. Now just rolling it on your palm and make a nice ball like this. Flatten it little bit on the surface. And then here I am taking my sandpaper and creating the texture on both the sides. Also giving the texture from all other sides as well. Then taking here wire tool and creating some holes to give realistic baked effect. Like this. Then to create choco chips, here I am taking my dark brown color clay. I have just mixed dark brown acrylic color into my clay, flattening it on the surface and just chopping a small chunks using paper cutter. Then taking back my cookie, add glue randomly and sticking these chunks here and there. And the super cute cookie charm is ready. Now I'm starting with the donut charm. So here I have mixed little bit of yellow into my clay and created this cream color clay. Make a small ball like this, just like we did before for the cookie. And then passing one backside of paintbrush through this from center to create the hole inside this, and you will easily get the donut shape. Then here I am making my own texture for the donut topping. So I am taking glossy accent and mixing little bit of white acrylic color into this and making nice cream. If you don't have glossy accent, you can also use any matte finish varnish. Then I am pouring this mixture on top of the donut. Then to add some sprinkles, here I am taking light pink color clay, just rolling it on the surface and making a thin thread kind of effect, and then chopping this into small sprinkles. Similarly, I have some more sprinkles in other colors, so I'm just dividing in small chunks. And since our glossy essence is wet, so I am pouring these sprinkles randomly immediately. If your glossy essence is dry, just add glue and stick these chunks on top of the donut. And this is completely ready, allow it to dry. Then I am proceeding for the ice cream cone. So to create the base of the cone, here I am taking my off-white color clay, just roll it on the surface, and using circular cutter I am just cutting in a round shape. And before that I am just running my middle part of the tool through this so that you will have nice waffle texture. Then cutting one circle and rolling it around the pencil to get the cone shape. So just add little glue and create the cone. Like this. Then create the ice cream scoop. Here I am taking light pink color clay, just creating a small ball and making the texture using cutter and the needle tool. So it should look like this. Then I am sticking the ice cream scoop on top of the cone and your ice cream charm is completely ready. Very easy. Then I am proceeding for the candy charm. So here I am taking blue soft pastel, mixing it with my clay and creating the blue color clay and just rolling it on the surface and making a long thick pipe shape. Like this. Similarly, I have prepared pipe in 3 more colors. So just joining all 4 pipes together using glue and twisting it as a rope design. And then create the coil to convert this into candy. Like this. Then just sticking one small stick inside the candy to complete the look. And this is ready. Then I am proceeding for choco bar or chocolate candy. So to create the bar, here I am taking brown color clay, just rolling it on the surface and shaping from 3 sides using any blade like this. So you will have the base shape. Then creating a hole in the bottom and passing one stick through this. and then making some texture using needle tool like this from both the sides. After that, in one triangle corner I am adding dark chocolatey acrylic color so that it will look like it is dipped into melted chocolate. And our yummy candy bar is ready. Then I am showing you how to make the chocolate. So taking your light brown color clay, just rolling it on the surface, create the rectangular shape and just with light hand make the chocolate bar. And this is ready. Then I am starting with making the macron. For this I am taking a blue color clay which is already mixed with soft pastel, and here I have the macron mold. So I am just putting it inside the mold. And then here I have prepared one more already. If you don't have mold, you can simply create this just like we create the ice cream scoop. This is super duper easy. Then taking white color clay to create the center cream, flattening it and sticking it inside both the layers. Like this. So it should look like this, and on top of this I am adding 2 small slices of the lemon. And the macaron is ready. Then I am proceeding for the strawberry pastry. This is last but not the least charm. Just flattening it on the surface, cutting it using circular cutter, and then I have already cut one triangular shape of cream color clay, so I am tracing it on my pink clay and cutting it in exact shape. Similarly, making one more pink triangle. And then sandwiching all 3 together. Like this. Then on top of this I am decorating with small strawberry and the cream. And the super cute strawberry pastry charm is ready. So all the charms are completely dried. I have kept for one day, and now taking this kind of eye pin, passing through the charm from top using B7000 glue. Just pass it through the charm and allow it to dry. So with the similar method, I have added eye pin on all the remaining charms. Then in between all my handmade charms, I am going to add some ready-made bead charms. So here I am taking silver color eye pin, adding one bell bead in the bottom, and on top of this I am adding one flower bead, twisting from top to create the loop. And with the similar way, I have created some more bead charms, 4 charms in flower shape and 4 charms in oval shape. It will enhance the beauty of your bracelet. You can use any kind of beads. Then here I am taking silver colored chain according to the size of my wrist, and then start attaching the charms one by one. So starting with the bead charm, and after equal interval you have to add all the charms. So just count each time. Here I am skipping 3 chains, and on 4th chain I am adding my charms. With the same method, I am going to add remaining charms. So all the charms are nicely attached. Now it's time to attach the locks. So here I have these ready-made locks in silver color. So I am attaching these locks using silver jump ring. And this is nicely attached. You can just lock it like this and your bracelet is completely ready. Ta-da! Very pretty, very attractive, just looking like the ready-made one with the handmade clay. And after wearing, it will look like this. Very light in weight, very trendy. So the beautiful, sweet desserts bracelet or friendship band is completely ready. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.